Imagine hitting pause on aging itself early in life and coming back with extra years in the bank. That is exactly what one glittering insect appears to do. Researchers at the University of Leicester have found that the jewel wasp can slow its own biological clock, and the discovery may point towards slowing aging in humans. Jewel wasps are known for their metallic sheen. When their mothers experience cold and darkness before laying eggs, the larvae enter a hibernation-like state called diapause. This developmental pause does something remarkable. It extends the adult wasp's lifespan by more than 33%. It also slows molecular aging by nearly 29%. To understand why this matters, scientists track something called the epigenetic clock. As we age, chemical marks called methyl groups accumulate on our DNA, and they are among the most accurate indicators of biological age. Doctoral student Erin Foley and senior author Eamonn Mallon found that the wasps who paused early in life had clocks that ticked genuinely slower. The team also uncovered changes in gene networks tied to insulin signaling and nutrient sensing. These are the same pathways involved in human aging and targeted by candidate anti-aging drugs like metformin and rapamycin. The wasps will not help humans live to 150. They do reveal that aging is flexible, shaped by early environments and possibly by later interventions that mimic them. Pausing development today could mean a longer tomorrow. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.